Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 22nd reveal of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. I'm giving the heads up now. If you have the advent calendar and haven't looked at today's item, you'll want to pause the video. I'm about to reveal it. So let's open it up. Look for box 22. It's on the right side. We'll open up this flap and there's nothing on the inside, and that generally means we have some sequins. And yes, we have a beautiful pink color. They have a lovely iridescent finish, and there are two sizes, and the sequins don't have holes, so some people do call them confetti versus sequins. The pattern paper I'll be using is Pink Paislee's Joyful Notes collection. I've used this paper for several of my advent calendar cards. I've already cut the pattern paper and cardstock pieces. For the background, I selected this lovely floral design, and it has beautiful gold foil accents. The floral piece is 3 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches. The blue cardstock layer is an additional 1/8 of an inch, and the rainbow striped diagonal paper is A2 size, 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. I'm adding 2 strips of a blue tone-on-tone script pattern paper. I'll adhere them flush on the left side. The longer piece is 1 1/4 of an inch by 3 1/2 inches. And the shorter piece is 1 1/4 of an inch by 2 7/8 of an inch. Put adhesive on the back, adhere both of those in place. On the left side of the card, I added a strip of the dark blue cardstock. This piece is 1 1/8 of an inch by 5 inches. Now I'll layer the floral paper on the same dark blue cardstock, put ATG tape on the back, and add this panel on the rainbow diagonal stripe paper. Now I'll flip it over, put more adhesive on the back, and add my card front onto a card base. This is an American Standard A2 size card, 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. The paper pad I'm using includes a bunch of image and sentiment cut aparts. I selected one of the sentiment tags just for you, and I love how it has the gold foil detail at the top of the tag. You could cut a hole and add a little piece of twine. I decided to keep it as is. I'll be popping it up using foam dimension. I have scrapbook.com's 1/4 inch foam in the 1 millimeter thickness. Put good coverage on the back, remove the release paper, and I'll adhere the sentiment on the left side of the card. Now it's time to use the brand new lovely pink sequins. I'll put 3 in the upper right hand corner and 2 in the lower left hand corner, and I'm using both of the sizes. I poured out some of the sequins in Spellbinders CRAFTSTOCK tray. This is the medium size. I'll add a small drop of Barely Art glue. Pick up the sequins using the wax tip end of scrapbook.com's Craft Pro Pick tool. If you don't have an embellishment wand, I highly recommend them. Makes it super easy for adhering tiny die cuts and embellishments. So there's my finished card. Super simple design, but I love how it turned out. And here's a look at the beautiful card my daughter made using the new pink sequins. She used some glittery pattern paper, this really fun star design, and she added her signature wax seal. She said if she uses them all up, she gets to make some more. If you're interested in any of the products I use for my card, I do have links in the description box below. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 23rd reveal and a card. We're almost finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.